Okay, Fred Burrows, Swift Plumbers. I'm here on a job in Port Charlotte where a tenant has paid us to come out to cable a drain line. Normally $275 to cable, $350 for a video inspection. On this specific job, I've helped these tenants out because of the situation. We're charging only the $275, a discounted rate for our video inspection for handling this for the customer. And I recommended to the tenant that they turn this video into the landlord, and they should get reimbursed for this, as this is a problem with the drain line. Now you can see this is my electronic locator that locates the camera head, and we are underwater out here. Now put my locator on and show you. This is where we have a belly up here as well. So I'll put this locator on. You can see we're underwater. That's why you can't see anything. Now I come out here. Now, this is where the owner of the home's responsibility ends, at the sidewalk right here. This is Charlotte County property under this sidewalk. Utility departments do not like to admit that they have to work on this. You contact Charlotte County Utilities, because I can tell you I'm sticking into something past here. So I think, right here's my camera head. I think there's an issue right here at the transition to the city, as well as a belly up there. I think they probably used thin wall or something up here, or didn't get this pipe in correctly. This pipe should get replaced, and we have to stop right here. So any issues out here are on the city's responsibility, okay? So we're gonna charge you about $2,500 to put a new sewer line in and clean out to the surface, all right? So that's what our charge, or my quote, would be on that. Now, or you can get your plumber. I know the landlord may have their own plumber, but they need something done immediately with this. Now, single ply paper is always best because you have cast iron in the home, and I've let the tenants know that, because it'll plug up without that. But this has nothing to do with that. This has to do with a blockage down here. Now you can see I come out of the water. See how I'm underwater? And then I come out of it. So that means we've got a belly or something. There's nothing there blocking it. We've cabled this drain line 45 feet out. The issue was at 30 feet. You can see it's open right here. You're seeing the bottom. And then we're gonna go way out there. We're in the city at this point. So any problems past that sidewalk, if there turn out to be any, be on the city, but you have to fix your problems first. Now, right here, as I pull my camera backwards, we're coming back this way from the road. No issues you're gonna see until we're gonna start going underwater. See? Now, if there was something blocking this, the cable machine would have likely popped it through. We go through this spot. It's likely they turned that fitting wrong. Where it makes a turn, you can see some debris, maybe mud in there. But the problem is, you go over a hump and you end up back in the pipe. So this has to be a break in this area. See, I'm underwater. And then if I maneuver it just right, I'm able to jump back into the pipe. So we're gonna find out, we're gonna make sure we confirm exactly where this is. At minimum, there would be a repair there. You'll spend half as much on a repair as a whole line. But you may need the whole line done, so you go into it with the preparation to do whatever's needed.
Rigid.
So this is my issue. Where I'd previously marked, it's right there at the tap. which, as I said, you're responsible for the grass side. We don't break up city cement or work on city property. But this has to be repaired right here and potentially replaced all the way up. $12.50 if it's just a repair, double that for a new line, as I mentioned earlier. So now I'm going to take this off and I'm going to show you going backwards. You can see I've now got this down. I'm going to come out of this water. See? So this is the bottom of the pipe. I'll flip it so you see it over here. Whoops. Hopefully I haven't been recording me the whole time. So hopefully I wasn't recording me. I had it in selfie mode there. So right here, once again, we go underwater and we have a problem out there. Now we're out of the water. When we come up this way, we're gonna see if that belly still shows. Just gonna pull it out without the footage changing. See? And this is where I got that marked. See how it's underwater? And then it's not. Underwater, then it's not. So replace the line, put in Schedule 40 PVC out to the street, see if the city needs to add anything after the sidewalk. That's what you need to do. I would reimburse your tenants here for this inspection as we located your multiple issues. Also, you've got cast iron pipe in the home that is in bad shape, so it can grab anything. But right here, this has nothing to do with the tenants. This has to do with bad plumbing.